In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain in Cloudways. If you want to create something like blog.yourdomain.com or shop.yourdomain.com, the good news is you do not need to buy a new domain. A subdomain is simply an extension of your main domain. But in Cloudways, there's an important detail to understand. Your hosting setup and your domain DNS settings are managed in different places, so you need to connect them properly for everything to work. First, log into your Cloudways account and open the applications section. From there, select the application you want this subdomain to point to. On the Access Details page, look for the public IP address. This is the server address your subdomain will use, so copy it carefully. Next, open the dashboard for the company where your domain's DNS is managed. This could be your registrar or a DNS provider. Go to the DNS management or zone settings area and add a new record. Choose an A record. In the host or name field, enter only the subdomain prefix. So if you want blog.yourdomain.com, just type blog. Then in the value or points to field, paste the public IP address you copied from Cloudways. Leave the TTL on automatic or 1 hour, then save the record. This tells the internet where that subdomain should go. Now switch back to Cloudways. In the applications sidebar, open Domain Management. Click Add Domain, then enter the full subdomain address such as blog.yourdomain.com and save the change. After that, find the subdomain you just added, open its options menu and choose Make Primary. Confirm the change when prompted. This makes sure your Cloudways application is set to respond correctly when someone visits that specific subdomain. Once that is done, the next step is security. In the same application menu, open SSL certificate. Enter an administrative email address and the subdomain you just connected, then click Install Certificate. Cloudways will issue a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate so your subdomain loads securely over HTTPS. This is an essential step, especially if the subdomain will be used for logins, customer activity, or live public traffic. Finally, take a moment to verify everything. Check that the DNS record points to the correct server IP. Confirm the subdomain appears correctly inside Cloudways, and make sure the SSL certificate shows as active. If DNS changes do not appear instantly, give them some time to propagate since that can take a little while depending on your provider. Once all of that is in place, your subdomain should be fully connected, routed properly, and secured. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.